The Phantom blockchain messengers itself is a quicker, less expensive option in contrast to different organizations in any case. As far as digital currency, what is Phantom? We should find out what we can figure it out. And furthermore investigate a portion of the Phantom cost expectations that were being made starting around the 14th of December 2022. Phantom made sense of. Phantom is a safe and versatile brilliant agreement stage focused on the improvement of decentralized finance applications. It is intended to conquer the restrictions and exchange speeds that are influencing more established blockchain stages running shrewd agreements. Sent off in 2018, the Phantom establishment drives the open source stage's turn of events. It was established by On Byung-ik, a South Korean PC researcher. The establishment is presently driven by President and Boss Data official Michael Kong, alongside a group of specialists, researchers, and creators with experience in full-stack blockchain improvement. The Phantom mainnet, called Show, sent off in December 2019. Phantom utilizes Lachesis, another agreement component, to work with shrewd agreements. It's a non-concurrent Byzantine adaptation to non-critical failure agreement convention that the organization claims is quicker and less expensive than more established advances, while keeping up with high security principles. It's the agreement layer of the blockchain, and can be associated with any dispersed record. As per the Phantom site, an ABFT agreement convention considers most extreme decentralization, high versatility, and bank-grade security. Not at all like evidence of work, cooperative verification of stake, money confirmation of stake in Sync BFT. Lachesis hubs don't send blocks to one another. Just the occasions are being matched up between hubs. Validators don't decide on a substantial condition of the organization. All things being equal, they occasionally trade noticed exchanges and occasions with peers. In contrast to old-style agreement, for example, PBFT, Lachesis doesn't involve new occasions in the ongoing political race. All things considered, new occasions are utilized to all the while vote in favor of the occasions in 2-3+ past virtual decisions. This prompts fewer made agreement messages, as a similar occasion is reused in various races. The Show mainnet utilizes the Ethereum virtual machine, empowering designers to move their Ethereum-based decentralized applications to Phantom. Its secluded engineering takes into account full customization of blockchains for computerized resources, with various qualities customized to their utilization case. As per the site, there are 3 types of Phantom. There is the Show FTM token, which runs on the Phantom mainnet, an ERC20 FTM token, which runs on the Ethereum blockchain, and a BEP2 FTM token, which runs on the Binance chain and works with exchanges on the Binance decentralized trade. The FTM crypto is utilized for marking, and furthermore permits holders to decide on choices about the organization's future. Phantom cost history. We should now investigate the FTM cost history. While past execution ought to never be taken as a sign of future outcomes, understanding what the token has done in the past can give us some valuable setting with regards to either deciphering a Phantom cost expectation or, in all likelihood, making one of our own. From the graph underneath, we can see that the FTM token cost mobilized emphatically in 2021 as the Phantom establishment reported a few organizations and reconciliation. The FTM cost began 2021 at 1 cent and spiked to 87 cents in February prior to falling down. It then, at that point, moved to 95 cents in May before rapidly dropping back to 26 cents as the digital money markets fell. The FTM diagram shows that the cost reached as far down as possible at 15 cents in July, prior to beginning to mobilize firmly again in August 2021. The value moved to $1.93 on the 9th of September, slipped back to 95 cents on the 21st of September, and afterward mobilized to an untouched high of $3.48 on the 28th of October, following the example of the more extensive cryptographic money markets. After the business sector's auctions off in November, FTM finished 2021 at $2.25, an addition of over 13,000% for the year. The FTM cost exchanged up towards the October high in mid-January, coming to $3.36 on the 17th of January 2022. However, the cost moved lower, tumbling to a low of $1.31 on the 24th of February. FTM originally dipped under $1 on the 25th of April 2022, tumbling to a low of 98 cents. It then proceeded with its downtrend, reaching as far down as possible at 19 cents on the 13th of June as the market was shaken by the news that the Celsius crypto loaning stage had dropped withdrawals. There was then something of a recuperation, and on the 30th of September it was worth about 22 cents. Things slowly went down generally speaking from that point forward, nonetheless, with it arriving at a low of 16 cents on the 22nd of November prior to recuperating to 25 cents starting around the 14th of December 2022. At that point, there were a little under 2.77 billion FTM available for use, out of an all-out supply of 3.175 billion. This gave the token a market cap of $693 M, making it the 58th biggest crypto by that measurement. Working with legislatures. FANTOM has been working with a few public legislatures to execute its blockchain-based innovation, marking update of understandings back in 2021 with the Pakistan Punjab Jails Division and the Pakistan Private Instructive Establishments Administrative Power, the Afghanistan Service of Industry and Business, which was the sixth government element in the country to utilize FANTOM innovation, and the Service of Industry and New Advances of the Republic of Tajikistan. On the 1st of January 2022, the FANTOM establishment tweeted that the organization had arrived at 1.5 million special locations, contrasted with a little more than 5,000 a year sooner. The blockchain has since become further, and starting around the 13th of December 2022, there were simply over 26.6 million special tens to after an enormous expansion in interest in the office throughout the earlier month or somewhere in the vicinity. Toward the beginning of January 2022, crypto research bunch Delphi Computerized said individuals were moving from rival blockchain Torrential Slide to FANTOM. FANTOM outperformed Torrential Slide in everyday exchanges toward the beginning of 2022. Pioneering Capital moved over to Yield Ranch on FANTOM with significant returns on stablecoins of around about 30-60% APR, it expressed. On the 18th of January 2022, Digital Money Trade FTX said it had added help for the FANTOM mainnet and incorporated digital money web-based business stage shopping.io, empowering clients universally to buy things online from retailers like Amazon, eBay, Walmart, and Home Warehouse utilizing FTM. Sometime thereafter, FANTOM reported that digital currency trade Nexo added admittance to FTM for its 3 million clients. On the 10th of February, the FANTOM establishment said that Marking Foundation stage Stater Labs would coordinate with FANTOM to empower its clients to open the worth of their marked FTM through fluid marking and representative to different validators with a solitary snap. Furthermore, Blocknative, the Web3 framework organization, sent off beta help for the FANTOM organization, empowering the following of exchanges moving from starting wallets or brilliant agreements to the mark of agreement approval. Also, on the 16th of February, the trade altcoin said it had begun exchanging FTM. FANTOM cost expectations. We should now investigate a portion of the FANTOM cost expectations that were being made starting around the 14th of December 2022. It is vital to recollect that cost gauges, particularly for something as possibly unpredictable as digital money, frequently turn out to be off base. Likewise, some long-haul crypto value expectations are made utilizing a calculation, and that implies they can change immediately. In the first place, had a fairly blended transient FTM cost expectation. The site said that the coin could exchange at 26 cents on the 19th of December prior to tumbling to 24 cents on the 13th of January 2023. The site's general specialized investigation for the coin was unbiased, with 22 markers making bullish signs against 9 making negative ones. Then, made a FANTOM crypto cost expectation which said it could reach 30 cents this year and $1.12 in 2025, and made a FANTOM cost forecast for 2030 of $3.53. In the meantime, the FANTOM coin cost forecast